Hello guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. And today we are doing another tutorial in Minecraft again. Yay!
Put your head on my shoulder. Hold me in your arms, baby.
So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get iron. So in the last tutorial, we got stone. So now, the way you can get iron, the easiest way is to check in small like lake pools. Like for example, like this. There you go, you found some. Yeah, 3 by 3. And if you can find it underwater too, so like this, I just got a hole for example, but like this you can find it. So once you get the iron, now in the new update it will come as raw iron. So there you go, now raw iron. So once we get the raw iron, now the furnace comes in handy at this point. So once we get the raw iron, come here, press it, place it, place the raw iron here. Now the thing you need is coal, but if you have some wood also it will work. So there you go. So wait for it to smelt. At the meanwhile you have to make some sticks too, because iron. So once you get iron, so there you go, you got 3 ingots. We'll just take it out. So now with 3 ingots you can make a iron pickaxe. So what the iron pickaxe does is you can mine some more variants of ores, like diamonds and upwards, gold and upwards actually. So once you get the pickaxe, you can mine those variants of. You can make armor with this. So I'm in creative mode, so I can just type out iron ingots, because it's going to take a long time to smelt. Oh my god. Okay, that was an accident. So we take some iron ingots on those. Now you can make some armor with this, and they are really durable also. Like this is technically of a set of armor, so this is how you craft it, because the iron ore is one of the first very important ore you're going to get. So this thing you can put leggings too. Can put leggings and the helmet. So there you go. That is your stuff. I'll show you. There you go. Now you can right click your mouse to put them on like this. Now my one is not going off my inventory because I'm on creative mode, but there you go. So you will look like this when get iron armor. So I know this is a short tutorial. I want to make this as short as possible. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for the next time I upload. Until next time, bye.